Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to play the new Dragon Boat challenge in Heartopia. It's about all rewards that you can earn, and then the boat controls and stamina mechanics, and how to get your own Dragon Boat in upcoming event at June 19 Heartopia update. So during this event, just head to the challenge area at the central square and then just talk to Annie to start the Dragon Boat challenge. And once the event begins, you will be able to drive a dragon boat and race across different lanes while trying to reach as many target checkpoints as possible. In here, you will doing the race with the many dragon boats with other players, and by completing challenge objective, you can earn exclusive rewards such as decorative accessories, soldier bags, trophies, and more. And now let's talk about the controls. To move the dragon boat, just simply tap the paddle button that appears on the screen. You can tap either the left or right paddle button while using your other hands to steer the boat and keep it on course. And mastering both pedaling and steering will help you finish the challenge faster. And then just keep an eye on your stamina. Driving the dragon boat will consume energy over time. However, teammates that reading on the boat can beat the drum to chair, which helps the driver recover stamina and keep racing longer. So it's definitely more fun with your friends. And one more thing, if you love the dragon boat, you will also be able to purchase your own from the Acorn store for 180 hard diamonds. And okay, that's everything we know so far about the upcoming Dragon Boat challenge. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!